Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I want to try and experiment with coloring pages. I've made a few coloring pages in different programs. This one, ChatGPT, Midjourney. I haven't made one in Bing. I haven't tried it. But I've tried it in, I think Imagine Art is the other one, excuse me, that I've tried to um, make coloring pages. And of course, you get different results across different platforms. But today I wanted to try some coloring pages in ChatGPT DALL-E. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to hit my down arrow over here in my side panel. And I'm going to scroll down until I get to DALL-E. And I will link the prompts that I'm using in the description box below. I got a little help with the prompt from Coco Twins. She did a short on her YouTube channel saying some of the language you should use when doing coloring pages, and I'll link that short also in the description box below for this particular prompt. So this one says create a line art illustration suitable for coloring book page featuring a beautiful African American woman. She is wearing a romper with heels. Her hair is in a short curly bob, wearing large hoop earrings and glasses, displaying full body and entire outfit. The illustration should have bold outlines. The style should emphasize clarity and simplicity, making it easy to color. So let's see what we get. And I think in the Coco Twins short, she gives you three key points of what you should add into a coloring page prompt. And again, I'll link her short in the description box below. So I used her three points, and then I added the outfit I wanted to see, the hair I wanted to see, and I also added full body, displaying entire outfit, because sometimes, if you realize, sometimes the outfit will be cut off. So this is what we got. Um, it does have some grayscale. The hair um, is dark, so I could play with the prompt a little bit and maybe put white hair or something like that. So let's do that. Let's try that. I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt. Her hair is white in a short curly bob. So I just changed white. Um, let's see what we get. um, these are cute though. These are very, very cute coloring pages. I know I've been watching videos on how you can get some of the grayscale out of your coloring pages. Some people use Canva, some people use Photoshop. There's a number of different applications you can use to get some of the gray out. Now, this one is very good. I like this one. Um, but this one, I don't know what's going on here. The hair is white though. All right, so that's the first prompt. And again, like I said, I used three of the key things that Coco Twins mentioned in her shorts video. And again, I'll link that video in the description box below. And then this one is just a simple prompt. Um, Not using the three points, but adding some things that you can add for to get a coloring page. So create a coloring page of a young African American woman holding a pen, writing in a book, white hair, in the living room, simple line art, simple outline, white, front view, long extra shot, no color. Right? So let's see what we get. These are cute. I like these. I like this one too. Um, I don't mind the black hair, but for a coloring page, I would want it to look something more like this, right? I would like to take some of the gray and color some of the gray out, um, and then this color back here. Once I learn how to do that, I'll do another video on that. I think I'll try. I don't have Photoshop, so I think I'll try it in Canva and see what happens. And then once I figure it out, I'll do a video for you all. But that's a more simple, straightforward prompt. Just telling it what you want to see. And this is actually a really nice coloring page. Only thing like I said, I will want to change is this color here. I can easily take that out by simply, just sizing the picture. But this one over here on this side, there's a little more gray in the picture that I would want to take out. All right. So I wanted to come on and do a quick video on this. Um, Midjourney, the images look completely different. So just for funsies, let's go over here to Midjourney, and I'm going to put the same prompt, the second prompt that I used. And you just want to do /imagine, and I'm on Discord using Midjourney. And I'm just gonna copy and paste the prompt, the second prompt that I used, and see what we get with Midjourney. Right. Not sure how long it's gonna take, but we'll see. All right, and this is what we got in Midjourney. Let me open it up so you can see it a little better. So here's the top two, and here's the bottom two. I don't know why it does this. It will have a pencil in both hands whenever I try to do a prompt, whether it's a coloring page or something different. At least one of the images is going to have a pencil in both hands. Right. Um, so a little different uh-oh, from what you get from ChatGPT. So this is Midjourney, and then this is ChatGPT. So you see the difference in what you get in each program. All right. So just like anything else, you just kind of tweak things, play with different things, play with the different wording in your prompt just to see what you can, get differently. So that is it. I just wanted to kind of show you some coloring pages in ChatGPT, and just for funsies, with the same prompt, what you would get with Midjourney. All right. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. I will answer them to the best of my ability. I'm not an expert. I am in the learning phase right now. And I just like to come on and show different things that I learned, different things that I'm doing. So let me know in the comments also if you have made any coloring pages, whether it's on ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo Playground. Have you made any coloring book images? Let's talk about it in the comments. All right. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.